Okay, so we've done cross, corners, side, flipped it over, and now we've got to get the second cross. And there's three scenarios for this. This one is the L shaped. So essentially you either have only the center, you have an L, or you have a straight through. In this case we have the L. So we're going to do the sequence for the L, which is, so we've got the top, this is the top, we've got the front, which is the one we're looking at, and you put the L in the upper left hand corner. So we're going to go front clockwise, top clockwise, right away, top counterclockwise, right towards, front counterclockwise. And we end up with the cross. The other one is, the other starting scenario is you have them straight across, which has a different set, but that's this one. So this is, we have cross, corner, side, flip, cross, and then the next one we're going to do is the corners. So we've solved for cross, corners, side. We flipped it over, and this is one of the scenarios where you have the center and the two parallel pieces together. So this is the straight through. The other one is where you have the corner piece. So we have the straight through, we're making a horizontal line, and the sequence for this is with this with the horizontal line being in front on top, then you have front right away, top clockwise, right towards, top counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. With that then, with the straight through, we now have the cross. At this point now we're looking at cross, and then we're going to look to solve the corners to get the corners in the right spot.